Hello everyone, myself Ajit Diwanji. I am handling your reasoning subject. So before starting my reasoning subject, please be ready with your new notebook and write all the chapters, questions and their sums in that notebook. So my today's first chapter is mathematical operation. So what do you mean by mathematical operation? It is nothing but Bodmer's rule. So whenever your calculations begins, it may be in mathematics subject, it may be in physics subject, it may be chemistry or in reasoning, you have to follow this Bodmer's rule. So what is meant by Bodmer's? So Bodmer's means B means bracket. So if in your solution, if brackets are given, then you have to solve first brackets. Or else go to off. Off is nothing but multiplication. But you have to do off first. And then division, then multiplication, then addition and at last subtraction. No doubt addition and subtraction have same preference, but it will be easy to you to do first addition and then subtraction. So coming to my chapter, mathematical operation, it is totally based on mathematics, Bodmer's rule. So coming to the first question, if L stands for addition, M stands for minus, N stands for into, P stands for division, then what is the answer for M, 14N, 10L, 42P, 2N and 8? Let us start the problem. 14N, 10L, 42P, 2M, 8. So it is nothing but just you have to subtract the letters into sign. So see, L stands N stands for multiplication. Just you have to do 14N. 14N in place of N you have to write into. And then 10. L stands for plus. L stands for plus. So we are writing plus. And then 42P. What is P? P stands for division. Division. And then M. M stands for minus 8. So we have to calculate this by using Bodmer's rule. So what is Bodmer's rule? So here we are writing into, addition, plus, divide and minus. So in that first we have to do divide. Keep these all as it is. 42 divided by 2 minus 8. That is 14 into 10 plus 21 minus 8. 2 ones are 2 21s are 21 minus 8. And then we have to do multiplication. 14 into 10 140 plus 21 minus 8. So what is the solution of this? Again we have to do next is addition. So 161 minus 8, that is 153. So it is our final answer. Like this we have to solve all the questions. Okay. So write down this in your book. First question and then the solution. Then second question, solution. Third question, solution, like that. You have to solve it in your new notebook. Okay, coming to the next question. Second question is, if A stands for plus, B stands for minus, C stands for multiplication, D stands for divide, then 4C, 10A, 42D, 2B, 8. So just you have to first substitute the alphabet into sign. C stands for into, 4 into 10. A stands for plus, 10 plus 42. D stands for divide, 42 divide 2. B stands for minus, minus 8. And then first you have to calculate this. 4 into 10 plus 21 minus 8, and then we have to solve this into 4 into 10 40 plus 21 minus 8. So 40 plus 21 61 minus 8, that's equal to 53. So we have to solve by step. Understood? Okay. We will move to the third question. Third question. If H denotes divide, K denotes multiplication, P denotes plus, then 18H, 9P, 2K8. 18H, 9P, 2K8. So again we will substitute the letters into signs. H means divide, 9, P means plus 2, K means into 8. So first we have to do this. So 18 divided by 9 is 2 plus 2 into 8. Again you have to do this. 2 plus 16, that is 18. So our answer is 18 for the third question. And then moving to the fourth question. If minus denotes into, see here, fourth question, 3 plus 4 into 5 minus 6 plus 7. So it is your given question, and this is little bit changed from first three questions. So see here, we have to change sign into sign. So first what is given, we have to change minus 2 into. So write these all as it is 6, 7. So what they given, here it is plus. Plus means minus. So in place of plus we have to write minus, in place of into we have to write plus, in place of minus we have to write into, in place of plus again minus. So we have to solve this, not this. Okay, we have to solve this problem. So again we have to do first into according to Bodmer's rule. 3 minus 4 plus 5 6 is 30 minus 7, and then we have to do addition first. So these two are addition and these two are negatives. So 3 plus 30, 33 minus 4 minus 7. So 33 minus 4 minus 7. So we can do these two first, or else we will move like this. So 33 minus 4 means 29 minus 7. Again 29 minus 7 is 22. So this is our final answer for the fourth question. So next, fifth question. Next, fifth question. If plus denotes into denotes plus, minus denotes divide, and divide denotes minus, then 5 plus 3 into 2 divided by 10 minus 5. So we have to change plus into 5, 3, 2, 10, 5. So instead of plus we have to write into, instead of into we have to write plus, instead of divide we have to write minus, and in place of minus we have to write divide. So first we have to solve this. So 5 into 3 plus 2 minus 10 divided by 5 means 2, and then we have to solve this. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 minus 2. So still students, plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. It means it will be 0. 15 plus 0, that is 15. So this is our final answer for the fifth question. And then going to the sixth question. Sixth question. So it is also a little bit different question, but instead of sign and letters, they given some symbols. Okay. So what they given? $16 symbol, 4 at 5 hash 72 star 8. They given some symbols in between the numbers. So what is given? If dollar denotes plus, instead of dollar we have to write plus. Hash denotes minus. 5. Hash denotes minus. And then at denotes into. Instead of this we have to write into. And star denotes divide. 8. So this is our solving problem now. So we have to solve this. So 16 plus 4 into 5 minus 72 divided by 8 means 9. Now we have to do multiplication. 16 plus 4 5s are 20 minus 9. And then we have to do plus 16 plus 20 means 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9 is 27. So this is our sixth problem. Okay, coming to the seventh question. So what are given? If plus denotes divided by, minus denotes added to, addition denotes multiplied by. This is also same question, but they given in words. That's it. So what is the question? 24 value minus 18 plus 9. So what is divide? Divide denotes multiplied by. 24 into 12 minus denotes added to, plus 18, plus denotes divided by 9. So next we have to do first this according to Bodmer's rule. 24 into 12 plus 2. 18 divided by 9 means 2. Now we have to solve this. 24 12s are 24 12s are. It's 288 plus 2. So your answer is 290. Your answer is 290 for the seventh question. And then moving to the eighth question. Moving to the eighth question. This is also same as your seventh question. 7z3 y6 into 5. See here students, according to Bodmer's rule, so first we have to solve bracket. Okay, so first we have to solve this. So 7z3. Z means what they given? Z stands for multiply into 3. Y stands for subtraction. X stands for add. 5. X stands for addition. So now first we have to do this. 7 3s are 21 minus 6 plus 5. So now 21 minus 6. What is 21 minus 6? It is 15 plus 5. That is 20. So 20 is our answer for 8th question. And then moving to the 9th question. Ninth question is given little bit change. So m divide L into J plus P. So instead of sign, now we have to change letters to number. So M means 24 divided by L means 8 into J means 4 plus P means 6. So according to Godman's rule, we have to solve division first. So 24 divided by 3, 8, it is 3 into 4 plus 6. Now 3 4s are 12 plus 6, that is 18. So 18 is your answer for 9th question. And then coming to the 10th question, it is also same as your previous questions, but here they given bracket questions. 10C4A 4C4B6. Now according to Godman's rule, we have to solve bracket first. So first we substitute alphabet to letter number signs. 10C, C stands for into 4, A stands for addition, into bracket 4 into 4 bracket complete, B stands for minus 6. So according to Godman's rule, we have to solve bracket first. 10 4s are 40, plus symbol as it is, and then 4 4s are 16 minus 6. Now 4 plus 16, it is 56 minus 6. So 56 minus 6 is 50. So this is our 10th question solution. Okay students, write all these questions in your separate book and try to find any other questions from the net. Thank you. Okay children, next coming to 11th question. If P means plus, Q means into, R means divide and S means minus, then 81R 3S 15P 5Q 0. What is the value of this? So now, what is the value of R? It is divide, and 3. S means minus 15. P means plus 5. Q means into and 0. So we have to first solve this and then we have to choose the correct option. So according to Godman's rule, we have to solve this. 81 divided by 3, it is 27 minus 15 plus 5 into 0. So according to Godman's rule, we have to solve this. 27 minus 15 plus 0. And then we have to solve this. 27 minus 15, it is 12. So what is our answer? Equal to 0. Is this equal to 0? No. We are getting answer 12. Less than 1? No. Greater than 2? Yes, it is greater than 2 because we are getting answer as 12. Greater than 2. So our answer is greater than 2. So according to options, we have to see the answer and we have to take the options. Next 12th question. What is given? 6 minus 2 plus 8 into 12 divided by 3. So instead of minus, what we have to write here? Minus stands for divide, to plus stands for into stands for minus 12. Divide stands for plus 3. So according to Brodmann's rule, first we have to solve this. 3 into 8 minus 12 plus 3. So next we have to solve this. 3 8s are 24 minus 12 plus 3. So 24 minus 12, it is 12 plus 3, and we are getting answer as 15. But what they told, what is the value of P? So what is the value of P means this number is greater than some other numbers from the options. So we have to see now options. So first they given 15. Is 15 greater than P? So this is our P value. P equal to 15. P equal to 15. Is this answer is greater than option A? No, it is equal to option A. And then go to the option B. Is this number greater than 18? No. Then go to option C. Is this number greater than 21? No. And last option is D. So this number is greater than 14. So our answer is 14. And coming to the 13th question. Coming to the 13th question. 16 minus 4 into 2 plus 5 divided by 1 is equal to 12. So in this question, it is little bit changed from your previous questions. Which of the following interchanges in signs would make the given equation correct? So from the option we have to take the signs which we have to interchange in our question. So 16, 4, 2, 5, 1 equal to 12. So taking from the options, we have to interchange the signs. If we are taking option A here, so what is there? Plus and minus. We have to interchange plus and minus here. So instead of minus, we have to write plus here. Into as it is. Instead of plus, we have to write minus. Divide as it is. By solving this, we have to get the answer as 12. Let us see. So first we have to solve this. 16 plus 4 into 2. So minus 5 divided by 1 means minus 5. Then we have to solve this. 16 plus 8 minus 5. Then 16 plus 8 means 24 minus 5. It will be 19. So option A is not the correct answer. So let us move to second option. Into and minus. Into and minus. So we have to interchange into and minus. Instead of minus, we have to write into here. Instead of into, we have to write minus. Plus as it is, divide as it is. So again we have to solve this. 16 into 4 minus 2 plus 5. 5 divided by 1 is 5. And then next we have to solve this. 16 4s are 64 minus 2 plus 5 equal to 12. And then these two, 64 minus 2 means 62 plus 5. It is 67. It is not equal to 12. So our second option is also not working. And then move to the third option. So what is our third option? Divide and minus. So again we have to interchange divide and minus. So instead of minus we have to write divide. Into as it is, plus as it is. In place of divide we have to write minus. So we have to solve this. 16 divided by 4 means 4 into 2 plus 5 minus 1 equal to 12. So 4 2s are 8 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 12. So 8 plus 5 13 minus 1 equal to 12. So 13 minus 1 is 12 is equal to 12. Yes, our third option is right. So like this you have to solve the problems. Coming to the 14th question. In your 13th question, what you solved? Only you change the signs. But here we have to change sign as well as number. We have to interchange both. So what is the question? 3 plus 5 minus 2 equal to 4. It should be equal to 4 after we change the number as well as signs. So first we take first option. Let us take plus 2 minus minus 2 plus. Plus 2 minus minus 2 plus. And then 2 and 5. We have to interchange 2 and 5. 3 as it is, in place of 5 we have to write 2. In place of 2 we have to write 5. So now we have to solve this by checking it is equal to 4 or not. So 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 5 equal to 4. 6 is not equal to 4. So our option A is not correct. And then option B. 3 plus 5 minus 2 is equal to 4 is given. And then we have to change plus 2 minus minus 2 plus. Minus plus. Instead of plus we have to write minus. Instead of minus we have to write plus. And then 3 and 5. So in place of 3 we have to write 5. In place of 5 we have to write 3. 2 as it is equal to 4. Now see, 5 minus 3 it is 2. Plus 2 is equal to 4, and then 2 plus 2 is 4, it is equal to 4. So our answer is option B. We are getting 4 equal to 4. Our option is B. And then going to 15th question. It is also a different question. If minus stands for division, plus stands for multiply, divide stands for subtraction, into stands for addition, then which one of the following equation is correct? So we have to solve all the 4 options, which is equal to 23 we have to see. So first we have to take option A. What is that? 2 into 5 into 6 plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 23. So what is given? 2. In place of into, what we have to write? Into stands for addition and plus stands for multiply. 3. Divide stands for subtraction. Here 2. We have to check this LHS is equal to RHS. So again we have to solve this. 2 plus 5 plus 6 3s are 18 minus 2 equal to 23. Equal to 23. Now all are plus and minus. We can solve any plus or minus, both are same difference. 2 plus 5 it is 7 plus 18 minus 2. 7 plus 18 it is 25 minus 2. Now 25 minus 2 is 23. Is 23. It is equal to 23. So our option A is correct. In this question it is given that option A is correct. If option B is correct, then you have to solve all A, B, C and D, because we are not getting in the first 3 question options and then we are getting in the 4th question option.
Okay. And this is all about mathematical operation chapter. So students, make one separate notebook for this and write all the 15 questions and solutions in that notebook. Thank you.